Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to rotate around object. So for example, you can insert a sphere object and the next I will insert the cube. Okay, you can use move tools to move into blue axis here and the third I will insert for the cylinder object. Now if you want to rotate like around this cylinder, you can select and then you can press F button on keyboard to move into the center of the cylinder object, and then you can use the orbit tools to rotate around object. I will click again at this shape here, and you can press F buttons to moving. Now you can rotate again by using orbit. Okay, that's it. I will use this cube. You can press F button. Now you can rotate again around the object. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to rotate round object.